Hello and welcome to Pip Bandit, where it pays to play. Today is the 16th of May 2017 and I'm here to show you what my predictions were this morning and what has happened in the market since then. My name's Belinda and I look forward to showing you and demonstrating the success you can have with this program in terms of having successful signals that give you the kind of return of investment that you're looking for, and also the confidence to trade in the marketplace. Now, I use MetaTrader 4. And this is how I do it. This is my particular setup. Obviously you'll have your own. The key thing is, of course, is confidence in the markets, and confidence that you have a good understanding of where the market might go. We all know that market will do whatever it wants to do, and we can't take it personally, but what we can do is we can stack up all the odds in our favour and most of the time be correct. It won't happen all the time, it's not the way it works in the markets. I'm not trying to sell you that. However, you need to understand that there are probabilities and ways that you can make it easier to push that trigger. My particular signals are here, and they're dated here just for the so that you understand this is a proof. So this was the 16th of May at 6:23 in the morning. It was a bit late today. It was because I was doing more analysis than usual. However, in common practice you would have your signals before 6 a.m. GMT, which is where I'm based. So these are the signals. So the signals I've done for today, there are 5 here today, are USD JPY, EUR USD, USD CHF, GBP USD, and EUR JPY. And so let's take each of these in turn. First off then, so this is the dollar yen, and I've put it for it to be in at 113.499 and out at 112.805. Let's see how we did. So the 113 is around about this sort of area, which is consistent with that, and it got down to just shaved 10 pips off on this one, so to the lowest at 112.938. There is another video that you will get shortly after subscribing to this service, which will give you an understanding of where you can, to the nearest sort of 10 pips or so, decide to exit your position if you see fit. So this is this one, and this has been a successful trade for today. The next one is EUR USD, so that was to be in at 1.09937 and out at 1.09738. Now this one was an interesting case. So I'd done a bit of analysis on this one. However, it still hadn't really finished. I'd gauged it to be above this line and ready to rock and roll to come down, but it was still on its way up and pushed higher. So this was a signal that was incorrect. You have a look at some of the larger trend. It's pretty much this cycle here that I can see. You can see from the bottom of the channel and where it is. So it's here, and the top, and of course the top is just going here. So I would anticipate a turn. And this is the only one here. This is where the actual trend is. So I would anticipate a turn around here from in the early hours of tomorrow, but I'll have to look at the markets and see what it's doing in real time before I make a final assessment or whether it's got further to go. However, as you can see, it's been quite a long trend. The next one here is the dollar Swiss franc. So you've got here 0.99430 to 0.99280, and having a look at this one, yes, it basically went all the way down and it just didn't stop. Okay, you can see all through here the trend is very long. It's been going since sort of the end of last week, and it's just going down and down and down, and today it was no exception, and it fell all the way down to 0.98526. So you would have been able to make your money there, no problem. It didn't even break in any meaningful way. The trend just was down all day. Okay, so another successful trade. Then GBP USD, so it was in at 1.29157 and out at 1.29413. If I just have a look at this one here, and yes it did, so it went all the way up here, so you would have caught it right in this particular bar here, and to get out before it fell down again and then continue to go up, so you would have made your money on that particular successful trade there. And lastly, the euro yen, so in at 1.24.834 and out at 125.030. So we'll have a quick look at this one here, and absolutely right, so it's found itself all the way up and got into 125. So it's been pretty accurate and a pretty good trading day. So out of the 5, 4 were correct. That's a nice 80% hit rate. I do need to tell you that doesn't happen every day, but most of the time it does, because I'm able to look at cycles and explain how my signals have come about. In this brief presentation, it was to demonstrate exactly how I would go about it. I use different indicators that are simple and easy for me to read. As I said, sometimes the market will do what it wants to do, but in the main we aim to get it right and for everybody's satisfaction on board, or else why do it? So look forward to your joining the subscription service. Look forward to helping you succeed in the world of trading. Thank you.